are you, what's your role, and who do you work for?
Hello, I'm Jonathan Battiato, and I'm working for ADB as a support engineer and quality assistant for the Cloud Native PG softwares and all the contour, all the related stuff.
What are 3 Kubernetes emerging tools that you are keeping an eye on?
I'm most interested in the storage part of, so I'm looking for a solution that works for the part of the storage, so some kind of solution that takes into account reliability and the performance for network storage. I'm looking for Portworx, Longhorn, and all the stuff, all the around the hardware. There is another company that works that implements the NVMe over TCP, which I'm interested in. I don't remember the name. It's like Lightbeats.
One of our guests, Steven Sklar, shared that you can and should run a database on Kubernetes. The tooling and practices have matured since Kubernetes began, and you should run stateful applications there. What's your experience and advice with running stateful applications in Kubernetes?
As a part of EDB stuff, I usually run data on Kubernetes, and we work on the direction to allow everyone to run data on Kubernetes. And I personally find it a bit challenging right now because of the current state of the art of the research around the data, around the storage. And since we are working all together to move forward to the data on Kubernetes community, I think we are going into the right direction to enable everyone to run data on Kubernetes. The primary challenge is trust. Trust is the first obstacle to run data on Kubernetes. Then there are all the other concerns on reliability and availability, of course, locality. Those are all elements that can be taken into account by any storage driver, for example, Longhorn, Portworx, other stuff.
Steven shared that some simple but effective advice on building Kubernetes operators. Keep it simple and use multiple CRDs. Do you have any advice on operators?
Well, the operator should be to be taught as a human operator that should act on the state of the cluster as to maintain the state. And for us is for PostgreSQL, for example. So when we build PostgreSQL operator, we think what a DBA should do when a failure happens. So basically, we expand the controller of Kubernetes through the controller, the actual controller of the operator, and through the CRDs, using different resources to allow Kubernetes learn about Postgres clusters.
What's next for you?
I think I will try going to benchmarking storage, which is some kind of passion I have, and of course continue working on Cloud Native PG.
What kind of contributions have you made to Cloud Native PG?
I'm mostly testing it and finding bugs before customer and users do, usually. So my contribution is to allow everyone to have a really production-ready software.